Hey everyone! I have some exciting news to share with you today. Party Popper. I'm thrilled to announce a $50 giveaway to 50 lucky subscribers on my channel. But there's a catch. This will happen only when we reach 1,000 subscribers. And that's not all. I have some massive special gifts lined up for a few select subscribers, which I'll reveal once we hit the 1K milestone. Rocket. To participate and stand a chance to win, all you need to do are these 3 simple steps. 1. Subscribe to the channel. 2. Like every video. 3. Comment below why you need $50 and why it's important to you. Winners will be chosen based on engagement, so make sure to like, comment, and stay active. Good luck, and let's reach 1,000 subscribers together. Raising hands. Let's start today's topic. Introducing the Tomarket Airdrop game, a limited-time opportunity to earn a huge mystery gift and a 20% bonus on all check-in rewards in the #1 fastest-growing tap-to-earn game on TON. The more you gather, the richer the rewards. Harvest, farm, and accumulate $tomato now to seize this incredible opportunity. Don't miss out, be early. Parachute about Tomarket. Tomarket is revolutionizing the trading industry by introducing innovative asset classes such as real-world assets, RWA, crypto bond yields, points, and pre-circulation tokens. This enhances liquidity and improves price discovery, allowing users to trade early and unlock the value of new assets. With a clear roadmap in place, Tomarket is set to launch points trading in Q3 of 2024, followed by the introduction of pre-launch investing markets, a Telegram trading bot, and support for TON and Solana in Q4. By 2025, the platform will expand to include RWA and OTC markets, as well as asset yield trading, with the backing of @BitgetWallet and @ForesightVen. Step-by-step guide. Launch the Tomarket Airdrop bot on Telegram. Farm $tomato for free and secure early user airdrops. The first 100,000 users who check in for 3 consecutive days and refer at least 3 players will receive a huge mystery gift eyes and a 20% bonus on all check-in rewards. Project links. Third-party websites found on the internet are publicly accessible and have no affiliation with Bigot. It's crucial to assess the risks associated with using third-party websites independently and proceed with caution.